Salah. Ni. Hei, kok yang di mai mo.
ไอ้ครับแต่งหินเตะขัดเสียต้องไปเข้ามาเลยไอ้ครับนี่นั่งบนไม้เนาะ
In sungat tui di mai mo. Salah. Tuilian tu dah ni, window tanamo. Sektor nama.
Semua pali lah laksa dengan itu. Oh, pali. Oh, kalau woi mission pe aja dua mangga.
Ini wajah pergi nampak apa ni kot tak deh, Tahu mana mai? Cipai dia wah, bos pak. Cipai wah le kan. Mai lihat kau siapa wah, hanya tak mau sang. Tua kan, nak kaya bawa pe. Ke toy le. ขัดเช็ดมีขัดเดียว
Yesterday, due to sudden rain at various locations, it has come to our notice, and our SDOs and different officers, they have informed some places have been flooded. And of course, today water has receded at most of the places, but along with my team comprising of my Additional Deputy Commissioner and our CO, ADC and our E and SDO officers, today we are visiting at different locations, and we are also extending immediate relief to the affected families, and we have also instructed all the sub-divisional officers and their offices to do visit and also make the assessment of the damaged houses, so that we can propose under this disaster management, and they can be given some financial assistance also for the reconstruction or repairing, whatever the case as may be. And also, like last time we had also visited at different places, we had extended relief materials to the different families. So as we have promised from district administration side, we will keep on monitoring the situation, and we try our level best to reaching all the affected families and extend all possible support from our side. In fact, today I would also like request to all the community members and leaders to please at least help in the effort which is being made by our CO ADC for the cleaning up all the drainage, because at various locations we have seen it has been encroached. And yesterday, whatever flood, like inundation we have seen, it is because of that only. So we are going to request to all the CSOs also, all the community leaders to come forward. This is the right time to work together, and such kind of issues should not be faced by the general public because of encroachment. So this is the one of the issue which I can mention here, and we are going to meet to the different leaders and CSOs in a days to come. I do hope like we will get the more better results. Thank you.
Thank you.